How to reset home screen layout to default on your Android phone. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So the most effective way is resetting your home screen to its original state by deleting all the custom settings and app placements and widgets. So for that you can find the settings icon on your phone and open it up, and from here you can just go over and scroll down and find the option for apps and go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, you can just go over and find your home app. You may need to go ahead and see all the applications or similar to get the full list, and look for the application that manages your home screen. This is often called One UI Home on your Samsung devices, so you can just go ahead and find that option right here, this one right here, and tap on it. And once you find it up, the app that manages your home screen, you just need to go ahead and go ahead and clear the storage. So look out for the option called storage and tap on it. And once you do so, you will be finding a clear cache option. You can tap on it, or you can tap on clear data or clear storage option. And once you do so, you will be asked to confirm your decision to delete the application data. You can tap to confirm it, click on OK. And once you return to your screen, it should be reset to the default layout that was provided on your Android phone. And that's it. So that is the most effective way you can apply up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.